This is Dr. P. Srilatha, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. In this session, I am going to discuss about question bank. So, question bank, third module, correlation and regression. So, contains question bank of correlation regression, part A short answer questions, part B long answer questions, part C problem solving and critical thinking questions. Part A short answer questions. First one, state the definition of correlation coefficient. So what is correlation coefficient? The relationship between the two variables is known as correlation coefficient. List out types of correlation. There are two types of correlations. First one is simple correlation and second one is multiple correlation. And outline the properties of correlation coefficient given n equal to 12 and sum of product of deviations from the mean x and y is 64. Calculate the correlation coefficient. So, sum of the product of deviations from the means means summation. Here they have given that xi minus x bar equal to xi minus x bar into summation yi minus y bar equal to, they have given that 64. Okay. So, and n equal to 12 is there. So, according to our correlation coefficient formula, we have to use correlation coefficient. Here correlation coefficient is denoted with R, that is equal to summation xi minus x bar into summation, yi minus y bar. So, that is equal to 64. Okay, so divided by under root of summation xi minus x bar whole square into summation yi minus y bar whole square. So, by using this one, we can find the correlation coefficient R. And the properties of correlation coefficient is R is always lies between minus 1 and 1. So, that means minus 1 less than or equal to R less than or equal to 1. Now, coming to the next question, state the formula of rank correlation coefficient. So, rank correlation coefficient is denoted with R, rho, that is nothing but 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1. So, properties of correlation coefficient. The properties of correlation coefficient means here minus 1 less than or equal to R less than or equal to 1. That means R is always lies between minus 1 and 1. If R equal to 1, then the correlation is perfect and positive. If R equal to minus 1, then the relation is perfect and negative. If R equal to 0, then there is no relation between the variables or elements. So, now coming to the next question, outline the properties of correlation. If summation xy equal to 216, comma summation x square equal to 102, summation y square equal to 471, then calculate correlation coefficient. So, here the formula is correlation coefficient is denoted with R, that is equal to summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. So, next question is outline the properties of correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation given n equal to 10 and sum of product of deviations from the mean of x and y is 66. Calculate the correlation coefficient. So, this is like a previous problem already we have discussed. So, that is like 3. So, like third problem we can solve this problem. Okay, so now properties of rank correlation coefficient. So, rank correlation coefficient is always lies between minus 1 and 1. So, rank correlation coefficient is denoted with rho. So, that is always lies between minus 1 and 1. So, next one is outline the properties of correlation coefficient from the following data. And here they have calculate from the following data, calculate correlation coefficient, and second one is standard deviation of bxy equal to 0.85 and bxy equal to 0.89 and sigma x equal to 3. So, here we need to calculate the standard deviation of y and also correlation coefficient. So, correlation coefficient R equal to under root of byx into bxy. So, this is the formula. And how to find the correlation coefficient of, we know that byx equal to, so that is R into sigma y by sigma x. So, from that we can calculate sigma y because already we have solved correlation coefficient R and sigma x is also there. Okay. So, now next question. Outline the properties of correlation coefficient. We need to write the properties of correlation coefficient, that is -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1, and if n equal to 8 and sigma x equal to 54, sigma y equal to 544 and sigma y equal to 552, sigma xy equal to 37560, and find the covariance of x comma y. So covariance of x comma y equal to summation xy by summation x into summation y. Outline the properties of correlation coefficient. The equations of two regression lines. Here they have given that 7x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, comma 5x minus 4x, 5y minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. Calculate the correlation coefficient. So here main important thing is here we have to convert everything into x equal to. So here they have given that 7x minus 16y, 16 capital Y plus 9 equal to 0. So from that we will get 7x equal to, so 16y minus 9, 16y minus 9. So like that as x equal to, so this is this is 7x minus this is y, right? So let us consider this is equation 1, and also we can write x equal to 6 by 7y minus 9. So next we need to find the sigma, 5y. So this is 5y minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. So from that we can write 5y equal to 4x plus 3. So let us consider this is equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we can calculate x and y. Okay, so let us consider that is x bar comma y bar. Okay, so and the correlation, after that we need to find byx. So byx means here the coefficient of this one, and this is xy. Bxy is 6 by 7 here, and byx equal to from that we can write 4 by 5x plus 3 by 5. So here byx equal to 4 by 5. So and r equal to and the root of byx into bxy. That is the formula. So and the normal equations. Next question is state the normal equations of regression lines. So here normal equations of regression lines. If y on x means a plus bx. So from that normal equations are summation y equal to na plus b into summation x, summation xy equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. So next one is multiple quotation. So next, coming to the 13th question, we have to write the formula for angle between the two regression lines. So next question is same like 11th question. So here also we need to calculate two equations. We have to solve the equations. After that we need to find the y on x and x on y. So just we need to write the x bar and y bar values. So coming to the next question, this is also same type of question, and find the means of x and y variables from the following two regression lines. So this is also like previous problem. So next, find the correlation coefficient between x and y between the following two regression lines. So this is also like previous problem. Then properties of regression lines. So these are all properties of regression lines based on. So go through the videos. So list the difference between correlation and regression. So both are the relation between the two variables, so variables only. And the next one is summation x equal to 15, summation y equal to 25, summation x square equal to 55, summation y square equal to 135, summation xy equal to 83, and n equal to 5. Find the regression coefficient of y on x. So we can write, so we have two methods to find the regression coefficient on y on x. First one is y minus y bar equal to dyx into x minus x bar. So we can use this method, and also by using one more method, so y equal to a plus ax plus b. So here the regression coefficient is a, y on x. So we have two methods to find the regression coefficient of y on x. So next, part B questions. So now part B, long answer questions. So interpret the properties of rank correlation coefficient. Rank correlation coefficient is always lies between -1 and 1. And random sample of 5 college students is selected, and their grades in mathematics and statistics are found to be like this. So mathematics and statistics, calculate the Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So here the rank correlation coefficient formula is 1 minus 6 sigma d square by n into n square minus 1. So this is our formula. Okay, so here they have given the marks, x, y marks. So from that we need to calculate ranks. So those are R1 and R2. So here R1 is, for R1 I am giving the first rank for highest mark. So after that this is second rank, and this is third rank, this is fourth rank, and this is fifth rank. This is R1. So next R2 is highest mark is here 1, and the next one is 2, next one is 3, 4, 5. So this is R2. So here D is nothing but R1 minus R2, and after that we need to find D square. So then summation D square. Okay, so here N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Capital N equal to here 5. So by using this formula we can calculate the rank correlation coefficient. So next, coming to the next question, interpret the properties of correlation coefficient. Calculate the correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation from the following data. Okay, so here they have given that small x and small y, but we need to calculate capital X and capital Y. So capital X equal to x minus x bar, and capital Y equal to y minus y bar. Okay, so here x bar equal to summation xi by n, and y bar equal to summation yi by n. So these are all xi values, and these are all yi values. Okay, so then the correlation coefficient is denoted with r equal to summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. So next, coming to the next question, explain the properties of rank correlation coefficient. Rank correlation coefficient is always lies between -1 and 1. The following data gives the marks in obtained by 10 students in accountancy and statistics. So here they have given that R values here A and S. So here R is our roll number, and A is accountancy, and S is statistics. Calculate the correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation. So here coefficient of correlation is summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. So we have to use this formula. So next, coming to the next question, interpret the properties of correlation coefficient. Calculate the correlation coefficient properties are also same. R is always lies between -1 and 1, and calculate the Pearson's coefficient of correlation from the following data. So here also same, we have to calculate R equal to summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. That is the formula where capital X equal to x minus x bar and capital Y equal to y minus y bar. So next, fifth question, explain the properties of rank correlation coefficient. Calculate a suitable correlation coefficient or coefficient of correlation for the following data. So here they have given that F values, P values. So F is nothing but fertilizer used, and P is nothing but productivity. So those both are in turns. So that is nothing but here just you have to take this is x value and this is y value. So here we have to use summation xy by, because the correlation coefficient is denoted with R, where small r equal to summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. That is the formula. So now coming to the sixth question, explain the properties of correlation coefficient. So always correlation coefficient is denoted with small r, that is lies between -1 and 1. So the following table gives the distribution of the total population and those who are totally and partially blind. Among them, calculate out if there is any relation between age and blind. So here, let us consider this is x and this is b. So b is nothing but, so here I am taking b versus n. So number of persons in thousands and b is number of blind persons. So here, why I am taking like blind per lakh. So after that, so this is x and this is y. We have to take the mid values. So where x equal to x minus mu by, where capital X equal to m minus some mid value is 45 now. So 45 divided by 10 minus 0. So this is capital X value, where we know that capital Y equal to y minus y bar. Okay. So therefore the correlation coefficient is always denoted with r. So that is equal to summation xy by and the root of summation x square into summation y square. So this is the formula for sixth question. So now next coming to the next question, interpret the properties of rank correlation coefficient. Following are the ranks obtained by 10 students in two subjects, statistics and mathematics. Estimate to what extent the knowledge of the students in two subjects is related. So this is let us consider this is x and this is R1 rank 1 and this is R2. Okay, so then we need to calculate D. So D is nothing but R1 minus R2. So after that we have to calculate D square. From that we can find summation D square. So therefore, so the rank correlation coefficient rho is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. So here n equal to 10. So now coming to the next question, explain the properties of rank correlation coefficient. The rank of 16 students in mathematics and statistics. Mathematics and statistics are as follows. So 1, 1, 2, 10, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2, 8, 6, 9, 8, 10, 11, 11, 15, 15, 9, 13, 14, 14, 12. So 5, 15, 16, 16, 13. Calculate the rank correlation coefficient for proficiencies this group in mathematics and statistics. So here let us consider these are R1 ranks and these are R2 ranks. So R1, R2. This is R1, R2. So same procedure. So we have already R1 values and R2 values. So we have to find D, that is nothing but R1 minus R2, then D square. Again find summation D square. So what is our formula? So same formula we have to use here also. Rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. So now coming to the ninth question, interpret the properties of correlation coefficient. So properties we know that -1 less than or equal to r less than or equal to 1. A sample of 11 fathers and their elder sons gave the following data about their elder sons. Calculate the correlation coefficient. So here they have given that correlation coefficient is denoted with r. So here they have given that small x and small y. So we need to find capital X and capital Y. So that is x minus x bar and y is y minus y bar. So after that xy, x square, y square. So therefore the formula is correlation coefficient is equal to summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. Next question, explain the properties of rank correlation coefficient. So that is -1 less than or equal to rho less than or equal to 1. Following are the ranks obtained by 10 students in two subjects, statistics and mathematics. So estimate to what extent the knowledge of students in two subjects are related. So they have given that mathematics marks and statistics marks. So here we need to find the ranks. So first of all we need to find the ranks. So first highest, for the highest mark I am giving the rank, otherwise you can give the for lowest marks also you have to give first rank. So then you need to find R1, R2. So from that then D is nothing but R1 minus R2. So then find D square. So then after that summation D square. So, but here if the ranks are repeated, we have to use one more formula. Otherwise, we have to use rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square into n square minus 1. So, but here the ranks are repeated, no? So, we have to use, for 10th question, we have to use, for the repeated ranks, we have to use rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus and so on, divided by n into n square minus 1. So, this is the formula for repeated ranks. So, now coming to the next question, outline the formula for regression lines. Calculate the regression equation which is best fit to the following data. So, here they have not mentioned whether we have to use the regression line of y on x or x on y. We have to use any method. So, here I am taking the regression line of y on x. So, that is equal to y equal to ax plus b, or you can take a plus bx. So, we can use y equal to a plus bx. Okay. So, for this we have to use normal equations. The normal equations are summation y equal to na plus b into summation xy equal to a into summation x plus b into summation x square. So, coming to the next question, outline the formula for regression lines in the following table. S is weight of potassium bromide which will dissolve in 100 grams of 100 grams of water at V degree centigrade. So, fit an equation of the form by the method of least squares. Method of least squares means this method. So, use this relation to estimate S when t equal to 50 degrees. So, let us consider here this is some y and this is some x. Okay. So, or let us consider this is x and this is y. So, here we have to find a regression line of y on x. So, because y equal to a plus b, after that we have to use same normal equations, these two. So, then we will get this value. Okay. So, a value, b value we will get. After that, put x equal to 50 degrees, because let us consider this is x value, no? So, these are x values and these are y values. So, just you should focus on this is x and this is y. Based on that, we have to use this formula. So, y equal to ax plus b. So, after completion of this one, that means these two are useful for finding a and b values. So, after finding the a and b values, we have to substitute here. After that, put x equal to 50 degrees. So, we have to use here the regression line of y on x for the 12th question. So, now coming to the 13th question, interpret the properties of correlation coefficient from the sample of 200 pairs of observations. The following quantities were calculated. So, summation x, summation y, summation x square, summation y square, summation xy. So, they have given. So, from the above data, show that the calculate the correlation coefficient of y on x, that is equal to y equal to a plus bx. So, here also same, we have to use the same procedure. Okay. So, already we have discussed in the first part A, in part A. So, outline the formula for angle between the two regression lines. Here, sigma x minus sigma y equal to sigma, and the angle between the regression lines is tan inverse 4 by 3. Okay. So, here the angle between the two regression lines equal to tan theta equal to 1 minus r square by r into sigma x into sigma x into sigma y by sigma square x plus sigma square y. So, we have to use that formula. So, now outline the formula for regression lines, both regression lines which best fit to the following data. So, here we need to find y when x equal to 13, find x when y equal to 11.5. So, here also same, we have to use regression line of first one is regression line of y on x. That means y equal to a plus bx formula. So, now use the normal equations. So, like that, after that we have to substitute to put x equal to 13. Okay. So, then x on y So regression line of x on y. So that is x equal to a plus by. So here the normal equations are, so summation x equal to na plus b into summation y, summation xy equal to a into summation x plus b into summation y square. So most important question. After that, after solving a and b, we have to substitute y equal to 11.5. Okay. So in this equation. So now coming to the next question, interpret the properties of regression coefficients for 20 RB person. The regression of weight of kidneys on weight of heart is, so y equal to, here they have given that y equal to ax plus b. So and next one is x equal to ay plus b. So same y on x we have to use here and x on y here. So here also same, we need to calculate byx and bxy because they have given that. So the in y on x byx is here, byx equal to 0.399 and in x on y the value is bxy equal to 1.212. So therefore we need to calculate correlation coefficient. No, we know that is under root of byx into bxy. Okay. So coming to the next question, outline the formula of regression lines, calculate the most likely production corresponding to rainfall 40 from the following data. So here they have given the averages. Okay, so averages are both and average, that is this is x bar and this is y bar and this is summation of x, sigma x and this is sigma y. Standard deviations, no, rank correlation coefficient is r. So based on that we can calculate correlation coefficient. Okay, we have to calculate regression. Outline the formula of regression lines. The heights of mothers and daughters are given in the following table. From the two tables of regression, estimate the expected average height of the daughter when the height of the mother is 64.5. So let us consider mother as x and daughter is y. So here they have given that x equal to x value. So here also same, we have to expected. So average height of the daughters, no. So we have to use y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. So we have to use this formula. So where byx equal to summation capital xy by summation x square. And so here they have given that x bar is nothing but summation x by n and y bar equal to summation y by n. Okay, so capital X equal to x minus x bar and capital Y equal to y minus y bar. And the formula is this one. Okay, so after that, after substituting all these values here, so after that we have to substitute, so x value. After that we have to substitute x equal to 16.5 over here. Next one, explain the properties of rank correlation coefficient. A panel of 2 judges P and Q graded 7 dramatic performances by independently awarding marks as follows. So here they have given the marks. So this is let us consider this is P and this is Q, or this is X and this is Y. And the eighth performance which judge Q would not attend was awarded 37 marks by judge P. So if the judge Q had also been present, calculate how many marks would be expected to have awarded by him to the 8th performance. Okay. So now let us consider this is X, no. So here they have given that X marks. So again same procedure. So after that we have to substitute the marks. That means the marks over there, expected marks. We have to use same procedure, y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. After that we have to substitute x value there. So next last question in part B, given the bivariate data. So using regression line of y on x, here we have to use y on x. So that is y equal to a plus bx. So and we have to use the normal equations and after that x equal to, from that we can calculate a and b. After that we have to substitute x equal to 10 over here. So like that for this. So for this we have to use regression line of x on y. So that is x equal to a plus by. So here also same, we have to write the normal equations. After that we have to find a and b. Then we have to substitute a, y equal to 2.5 over here. So that is our last question in part B. Now coming to the part C, problem solving and critical thinking questions. So first one is interpret the properties of correlation coefficient, rank correlation between x and y. The correlation coefficient means here we have to use this formula, summation xy by under root of summation x square into summation y square. We have discussed in part B. So interpret the properties of rank correlation coefficient. 10 competitors in a musical test were ranked by the 3 judges A, B, C in the following order. So rank A, here they have given that rank A, rank B, rank C. So use the rank correlation coefficient, estimate the pair of judges has the nearest approach to the common linkings in music. So here we need to find D1, that is R1 minus R2, D2, R2 minus R3, and D3, R3 minus R1 or R1 minus R3. So after that we need to calculate D1 square, D2 square, D3 square, because the main formula is 1 minus 6 sigma D square by n into n square minus 1. We have to calculate 3 times. So let us consider this is R1 and this is R2 and this is R3. So now coming to the next question, interpret the properties of rank correlation coefficient. Obtain the rank correlation coefficient. Here they have given that the marks we have to give the ranks. So these are repeated ranks because 64 is there. Here also we have 64 is there. So first of all we need to give the ranks. So after that find D equal to R1 minus R2. After that D square. So the main formula is repeated rank. For the repeated ranks we have formula that is 1 minus 6 sigma D square into plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus 1 by 12 m cube minus m plus and so on divided by n into n square minus 1. So this is the formula. So here so we have to prove that the correlation coefficient R is lies between minus 1 and 1. And the next question is here they have given the ranks. So here this is R1 rank and this is R2 rank. R2. Okay, so this is R1 and this is R2. So here R1 is there, R2 is there, D equal to R1 minus R2, and we need to calculate D square. After that summation D square. The main formula is 1 minus 6 sigma D square divided by n into n square minus 1. So coming to the next question, 6th one, outline the formula, prove the formula of angle between the 2 regression lines. We have to prove that angle between the 2 regression lines. So here also same, we have to use the angle between the 2 regression lines formula. So then next one is also same. So already we have discussed. So outline the formula of angle between the 2 regression lines. If the angle between 2 regression lines and standard deviation y is twice the standard deviation of x. So here also same, we have to use the angle between 2 regression lines. Then find tan theta. So this problem already we have discussed in part B. Okay, so here they have given that x bar, y bar, this is summation sigma x, sigma y, and this is r. So next last question is construct the regression line. Okay, construct the regression lines, construct the regression equation of y on x, and from the data given below, taking the deviations from the actual means. That means y on x, regression line of y on x. Y on x is y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. So we have to use this formula. So after that they have given the, so let us consider the price is x and the demand is y. So at last we have to substitute x equal to, because this is x now. So substitute x value is 20 over here after solving this one. Okay. So this is our module 3 correlation and regression question bank discussion. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.